All right, another update here on Monster Category 5 Hurricane Melissa. As of the 11 a.m. National Hurricane Center advisory, Melissa contained maximum sustained winds of 165 miles per hour and a minimum central pressure of 908 millibars, almost sub 900 millibars pressures found at the center of Hurricane Melissa, which is absolutely insane. Very rare for a hurricane to get this low in terms of pressure. If it does breach the 900 millibars, that is even more rare. And I do think that is a possibility because it still has another 24 hours yet until it makes landfall in Jamaica. So it's only going to keep strengthening and getting stronger. Like I said earlier, the only thing I could see preventing it from reaching sub 900 millibars pressure is possibly an eye wall replacement cycle, which does hinder momentarily the amount of strengthening that the storm can do. But if it does go through an eye wall replacement in time, it can get stronger because the eye will contract and then the storm can intensify even stronger than what it was before. So I do think it's a possibility that it could breach 900 millibars, but we'll see. We'll wait and see if that happens. But as you can see, it is located just to the south of Jamaica right now, and it is moving west at about 3 miles per hour, but it does look like it is starting to turn northward, which it does. It is supposed to turn northward here any time now. It could start turning northward, heading straight towards Jamaica. Latest guidance is favoring a more westward track. Really, nothing much has changed since other than it looks like it might be taking more of a westward track, which is good for Jamaica's capital, Kingston, Jamaica, located on the eastern portion of the island, which is home to 930,000 people. And there is one other piece of hope that we can hold on to at this time, and that is that the maximum wind field at the surface is pretty compact. I'll show you here on the Havze hurricane model. It really, it's still going to be a very strong and devastating hurricane, and it's going to cause massive destruction in Jamaica and then Cuba. But the maximum wind field is pretty compact as compared to other hurricanes that have had larger maximum wind fields. So this one is quite compact, closer to the center. But that by no means negates the overall strength of this storm because Melissa is still going to be a powerful Category 5 at landfall with wind speeds up to 200 miles per hour plus, which is absolutely insane. No structure can survive that. Really, no structure can survive that, especially with the slow speed that Melissa is going to be moving as it passes over the island of Jamaica. So then, like I said, when will Melissa turn northward? That's what we all want to know. It looks like it's starting to. Anytime now, Melissa should start turning northward, putting her on a direct collision course with Jamaica. So then what happens after Jamaica? I'll show you here. So this is the most recent run, so it's not fully updated yet, but it hits Jamaica sometime tomorrow morning / early afternoon, and then it hits Cuba, the eastern parts of Cuba, as a strong Category 4, potentially even a Category 5 hurricane, bringing life-threatening storm surge to Cuba, bringing tremendous amounts of rainfall and life-threatening flash flooding, and very, very, very strong life-threatening winds. So Cuba is still in line for a direct hit too in the eastern portion here. Guantanamo Bay is right over here. So Cuba is next in line right after Jamaica. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this brief update on Hurricane Melissa as she continues to strengthen and head straight towards Jamaica. Pay attention for another video a little after 2 p.m. when we have another National Hurricane Center advisory, and we will see if Melissa is continuing to strengthen. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Toodles.